IV. He was an Amen priesthood, coming out of his father, who was Amenhotep III. And Amenhotep III and his wife, Queen Ti, that's actually where they get Solomon and Sheba from. And then Akhenaten's son, King Tut, is the story of Jesus. Now, I know I said a lot right there. And I know if you had told me this when I was 9 years old, I would have had a heart attack. But when someone tells a perfect lie, the truth is unbelievable. They stole the essence of who we are as a people. I heard there's a new word out called tether. And they tethered themselves to us and stole it and then claimed that they created it. The oldest Bibles in the world that you'll find, even the more current Bibles, comes out of Ethiopia. And long before there was the Book of Life, or what they call the Book of the Dead, there was an Ethiopian Book of Life. It was called Lefafa Sadek. Lefafasedek. Lefafa Sadek was the Book of Life that came out of Ethiopia, upon which was brought into Kush Kemet, that became the Book of the Dead, or the Papyrus of Ani. So that when you look at who we are as a people, when you look at, we want to bring this back down. I don't want you not to be a Christian no more. I'm not here to tell you don't be a Christian. I'm here to tell you to Africanize your Christianity. I'm not here to tell you don't be a Hebrew Israelite. I want you to Africanize your Hebrew Israelite. I don't want you to not be a Muslim, even though Islam came out of the mountains of Ethiopia, based in an African language. I don't want you to change, I don't want you to leave. Continue to celebrate Ramadan. Okay, what they say, Eid Mubarak. Celebrate it. But understand that's African. And so when you're fasting, what you're fasting, even in Christianity, you have the 40 days of Lent where you're supposed to fast. Right. Fasting was part of the African tradition. Fasting is a part of life. And so when you fast, what you're really doing is you're going within to bring out. You are not activating your digestive system in order for you to be able to take in the spiritual system, in order for you to be able to come to a mental state where you now have an entire, now in terms of Ramadan, you have now 11 months to prosper from what you did that 1 month of Ramadan. It's a beautiful idea. I don't have a problem with any of these religions. I have a problem with the interpretations.